Hey guys, we'll be looking at the Dematron DM2212. It's an extra heavy duty pattern sewing machine. We'll be sewing through 4 layers of heavy weave webbing, as you can tell. And we'll be sewing a box X pattern triple stitches on 3 roll stitches on each side. All right. This machine does come with a extra large capacity hook. As you can tell, it's a huge bobbin case. All right, check it out. We're gonna be stitching this pattern in the programming window, and pattern 100. Here we go. There she is. Now we're going to sew on this 4 layers of tactical webbing. This is a 207 thread as well. If you're looking to automate your sewing process, give us a call at 1-888-492-5553. Dematron Automation.